Hi student. Now we will learn conversion of money. Okay? Conversion rupees and paise. Means here we will learn how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Okay? So see here. First we see conversion of rupees into paise. Means how to convert rupees into paise. So look here, we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. You have learned before also. And daily in our regular we have handling rupees and paise. So you know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So to convert rupees into paise, see, we have to multiply the given number by 100. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So to convert rupees into paise, we have to multiply number by 100. So see some example, then you will understand better. Look here. First, rupees 16. But how to do it is 16 rupees. We have to convert this 16 rupees in paise. Okay, so now just we have learned. We have to multiply by 100. Number is 16. So 16 multiplied by 100, we get here 1600 paise. Look here, to convert rupees into paise, multiply by 100. So here we multiply 16 by 100, we get 1600 paise. Okay, next example see 5 rupees 25 paise. 5 rupees 25 paise. Now in this example, rupees and paise given, correct? But here we have to convert rupees into paise. So paise keep as it is. We have to convert only rupees. Means we have to multiply only 5 by 100. Okay. So look here. Here we multiply 5 by 100 and add 25. 5 multiplied by 100, we get 500. And plus 25, 525. So here 5 rupees 25 paise, convert it into paise, we get 525 paise. Next example, 89 rupees 75 paise. So one more method is there. See, example is same, but two methods we can solve it. One method I have explained. Second method how it is seen. So 89, 75. There middle dot is there. This separate rupees and paise. So directly you multiply this number by 100 and only remove the dot which is given in number. Then we get here answer 8975 paise. Look here how we have done. Remove only dot when we multiply by 100. At that time dot which is present, it is removed, and by removing dot we get number, that is it is converted into paise. So here we get 8975 paise. Look here, to convert rupees into paise, simply remove the dot. So we have removed the dot, it is converted into paise. Understood? Next, conversion of paise into rupees. Now you have learned how to convert rupees into paise. Now you will learn conversion of paise into rupees. So you know that 1 rupee means 100 paise. Okay. So to convert paise into rupees, put a dot 2 digits from the right. So we have learned when we convert rupees into paise, at that time you have to remove the dot. But when you convert paise into rupees, at that time you have to put the dot. Okay, from 2 digits from the right. So see example here, 4200 paise. Now we have learned when we convert paise into rupees, put the dot 2 digits from the right. Now here from the right 2 digits 1, 2. So dot will come here after 2. In this way, by putting the dot, we convert paise into rupees. From the right, 2 places. Here also, so paise, we convert it into rupees, 42 rupees by putting the dot. Here 8,350 paise. Okay, we put the dot 1, 2. Look here. So after we put the dot and 8,350 paise, we convert it into 83 rupees 50 paise. Okay, in this way, by putting the dot of 2 digits from the right, we convert paise into rupees. Understood? Okay, students, now we will solve exercise 2. Okay, so see first question. Convert into paise. Means here given quantity is in rupees. You have to convert it into paise. Look here, first example. 11 rupees. We have to convert 11 rupees into paise. So we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So you have learned to convert rupees into paise, multiply given number by 100. Okay, so here we multiply 11 by 100 paise. So you have learned when you multiply any number by 100, write the number and put 20 to the right of the number. So here we multiply 11 by 100. Here we get 1,100. So 1,100 paise. 11 rupees is converted into 1,100 paise. Okay. Next example, see 18 rupees 50 paise. 18 rupees 50 paise. So you have learned the given number is converted into paise. You have to multiply by 100. But here 18 rupees and 50 paise, we have to convert which is given in rupees. So we have to multiply 18 by 100 because 15 already paise and 50 added. 18 multiplied by 100, we get product 1,800. Okay, 1,800, in that we add 50. So by adding the 1,800 plus 50, we get here some 1,850 paise. In this way, here we convert 18 rupees 50 paise into 1,850 paise. Another method also you have learned. Next example, see 7 rupees 50 paise. So you have learned we have to multiply by 100. So here and remove the dot. When we convert rupees into paise, at that time remove the dot. See here second step, 7.50 multiply by 100 paise, and here we remove the dot. So we get 750 paise. In this way, we convert here rupees into paise by multiplying 100. Okay. Next example. The example, see 52 rupees 50 paise. So you have learned to convert rupees into paise, multiply by 100. So here 52 rupees and paise 50. So we have to convert only 52 rupees into paise. So here we multiply 52 by 100 and add 50. 52 multiplied by 100, we get product 5,200. And by adding 50, we get here some 5,250. In this way, 52 rupees 50 paise converted into paise, we get here 5,250 paise. Understood? Next, E example, 45 rupees. So you have learned when we convert rupees into paise, multiply by 100. So here 45 multiplied by 100. Okay. So here 45 write at this and put 20 to the right of the number. So here we get number 4,500 paise. In this way 45 rupees converted into 4,500 paise. Okay. By multiplying 100 to a given number, converted rupees into paise. Next, F example, 79 rupees 50 paise. So second method you have learned. Multiply a number by 100. So here 79.50 multiply by 100. And next step, remove the dot from a given number. So by removing the dot from a given number, we got number 7,000 In this way, 79 rupees 50 paise converted into paise 7,950 paise. Understood? How convert rupees into paise. Next, G example, 20 rupees. Okay, so here we multiply 20 by 100. So write 20 as it is and put 20 to the right of the number. So here 20 rupees we converted into 2000 paise. Understood? By multiplying 100 to 20, we get 2000. In this way, rupees 20 we converted into 200 paise. Next example, 47 rupees 50 paise. So here we multiply 47 by 100 because paise 50 is already given. So multiply 47 by 100 and add 50. By multiplying 47 by 100, we get here product 4700. 47 is 47 and put 20 to the right of the number. So we get here product 4700 and then add 50. So by adding 50, we get some 4750 paise. In this way, here we convert 47 rupees 50 paise into 4750 paise. So understood? We how to convert rupees into paise by multiplying 100 and by removing dot. Okay. Next question, convert into rupees. First question, we convert rupees into paise. Now second question, we have to convert paise into rupees. Okay, so see first example, 150 paise. So you have learned when we convert paise into rupees, then put the dot. Put the dot of 2 digits from the right. So from the right two places are 1, 2. So we have to put here. So here we put the dot and write rupees sign. In this way, we convert 150 paise into 1 rupees 50 paise by putting the dot. Okay. Next example, 450 paise. So here also, from the right, put the dot. Means 1, 2. So we will put here dot. Look here and rupees sign right here. In this way, 4050 paise converted into 4 rupees 50 paise by putting the dot. Third example, 3850 paise. Here also from the right, 1, 2. So we put the dot here. By putting the dot here, we get 38 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Here, by putting the dot to the 2 digit from the right, we convert 3850 paise into 38 rupees 50 paise. Next example, 350 paise. Here also from the right two places 1, 2. So here we put the dot. So we get here 3 rupees 50 paise. In this way 350 paise converted into 3 rupees 50 paise by putting the dot. Okay. Next question, 1475 paise. So here also put the dot to the 2 places from the right. So here 1, 2. So here we put the dot. We convert 1475 paise into 14 rupees 75 paise by putting the dot. Okay. Next example, 9650. So here also from the right 2 digit 1, 2. So here we put the dot and 9650 paise we converted into rupees 96.50 and how to read this? 96 rupees 50 paise. Next example, 550 paise. So put the dot to the 2 digit from the right. So 1, 2. Here put the dot. So we get here 550 paise into 5 rupees 50 paise by putting the dot. H 2500 paise. So put the dot digit from the right. So 1, 2, here 2 and here paise converted into rupees, 25 rupees. In this way 2500 paise converted into 25 rupees. Okay, so in this question we solve by putting the dot to the 2 digit from the right, converted paise into rupees. Okay.